Hello everybody, my name is Miss Monahan and I'm going to be showing you an example of the digital story assignment you are going to be completing. Please keep it in mind that you are acting as a news reporter, so you may be using phrases such as "I found while interviewing individuals," etc. While going out into the field and exploring, I had learned that the Bill of Rights is the first 10 amendments to the United States Constitution. Who wrote these amendments, you might ask? Well, it was James Madison in 1791. Madison did so in order to protect individuals' rights. After reading through the Constitution myself and talking with citizens, it was noted that many people were worried that the Constitution gave the federal government too much power. One individual I had interviewed even stated that the Bill of Rights should be included in the Constitution in order to recognize the rights that individual people should have. I got word that Congress proposed 12 amendments, but only 10 were approved, and that Madison himself thought that the Bill of Rights was unnecessary, but wrote it in order to avoid revising the Constitution. The 10 amendments are as follows. Amendment 1, freedom of religion, speech, and the press. Amendment 2, the right to bear arms. Amendment 3, the housing of soldiers. Amendment 4, protection from unreasonable searches and seizures. Amendment 5, protection of rights to life, liberty, and property. Amendment 6, rights of accused persons in criminal cases. Amendment 7, rights in civil cases. Amendment 8, excessive bail, fines, and punishments forbidden. Amendment 9, other rights kept by the police. Amendment 10, undelegated powers kept by the states and the people. The Bill of Rights provides a lot of protection for citizens by protecting the following: freedom of speech, freedom of religion. It also limits the power of the federal government, and the good thing is, these freedoms and rights cannot be taken away. As I had talked more and more with local citizens, they could not contain their excitement that they were protected by the law. So why is the Bill of Rights so important, you might ask? Well, the Bill of Rights protects important ideas. Not only that, but it protects your right and my right to say what we want, and it also gives rules to various people, such as the police. The Bill of Rights keeps Americans safe.